I almost lost my dream home in Scottsdale. And no, it wasn't the price or the inspection that nearly sank me. It was the title report. Hidden liens, ownership disputes, surprise easements. Any one of these can turn your dream home into a legal nightmare. If you're buying a home in Scottsdale, you need to know how to read a title report, and today I'm breaking it down step by step. Stick around because this could save you thousands and prevent you from making a huge mistake. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. I'm Dario Lorenzo, a dedicated global real estate advisor with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's find your dream home or sell your property for top dollar. Reach out today and let's make it happen. Think of a title report as your home's history book. It tells you who has owned the property, what debts are attached to it, and if there are any restrictions or legal claims. Most buyers skim through this paperwork, assuming everything is fine, but that's where the trouble starts. I almost walked into a financial nightmare because of a tiny detail buried in my title report. All right, let's break it down so you don't make the mistakes I almost did. Here are the top things to look for in your title report. Ownership. Does the seller actually own it? Divorce or inheritance issues can complicate things. Liens. Unpaid property taxes, HOA fees, or contractor debts could become your problem. Easements. The city or a neighbor might have legal rights to use part of your land. Encumbrances. Legal restrictions that might limit what you can do with your home. Biggest red flags that should make you run. Here's what made my pulse race when I saw my own title report, clouded title. If there's a missing deed from years ago, you might not have clear ownership. Unreleased liens. A seller says they paid off a debt, the title report might say otherwise. Boundary disputes. Your neighbor could claim part of your land and you wouldn't even know. Fraud alerts. Scammers forge deeds. If the names look off, investigate immediately. One time I found an easement allowing the city to drain stormwater right where I planned to build a pool. That was almost a very expensive mistake. Here's how you can avoid these traps and stay in control of your home purchase. Hire a title attorney. A few $100 could save you thousands. Ask questions. If something doesn't make sense, press your agent or title officer for answers. Get owner's title. Insurance protects you, not just the lender. Don't skip this. Negotiate fixes. If there's a lien, demand that the seller clears it before closing. This is your investment. Don't just trust the system, own the process. Today, I'm living my dream in Scottsdale, but I almost lost it because I didn't understand my title report. Now, you won't make the same mistake. If you're buying a home in Scottsdale and want a second pair of expert eyes on your title report, reach out to me. I'll help you make sure your home is truly yours. Email me, dario@dariolorenzo.com. Call or text 480-766-6725. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home buying tips, and share this video with someone who's house hunting. Let's get you into your dream home without any costly surprises.